I'm sitting here at 2 o'clock, and I noticed I don't even wanna go to sleep. Girl, I just keep on thinking about your personality is slowly taking over me. It's strange, cause I was looking for nothing, but you came, and now you're turning my world upside down. Look at me, I'm scared, cause I can't believe that somebody would just come and take over me. Yeah, it's nice to know that you think I'm the type of man that you might try someday. I can't believe, I guess I never thought this would happen to me. Hey, nothing's gonna stop me from falling so deep. Hey, and every time I lie alone at night, I think about you, and I just can't believe this has happened to me. Hey, I can't wait till the next time I see you go, cause I've just got so much to say. Girl, there's so many things I have to show you. I'm afraid if I go to sleep, when I wake it will be a dream.